Today we're talking about the RBC ION Visa Plus. If you're thinking this low-fee card is going to revolutionize your rewards game, well, hold that thought. Because while this card promises solid everyday earning, there's something about it that might make you question whether it's really worth the monthly fee. In fact, later in this video, I'll explain why this card might not be a great fit for most people, and I'll also go over the top 3 features that actually make it stand out. By the way, I'm Jordan, and between this YouTube channel and my website, I've helped hundreds of thousands of Canadians save hundreds of millions of dollars just by using credit cards. So let's dive in. For the welcome bonus, it's not exactly exciting. Right now, RBC is offering a total of 7,000 Avion points, and here's how it breaks down. You'll get 3,500 points automatically just for being approved, and then if you spend $500 within the first 3 months, you'll earn another 3,500 points. So altogether, that gives you 7,000 Avion points, which I value at $140. But to be honest, that's a pretty weak offer, especially when some other cards offer a similar welcome bonus without any annual fee. And speaking of the fee, the ION Plus Visa has an annual fee of $48, charged monthly at $4 a month. But unlike most rewards cards, it doesn't have any income requirement. That means whether you're a student, a part-time employee, or just getting your very first credit card, you can apply for this card without needing to meet a $30,000 or $60,000 threshold. And that makes this card more accessible than most other cards which have comparable earn rates. And so let's look at those earn rates, because this is where the card actually looks decent at first. With the RBC ION Plus Visa, you'll earn 3 Avion points for every dollar you spend on a pretty broad list of categories: groceries, dining, food delivery, gas, rideshare, electric vehicle charging, streaming services, and even digital gaming and subscriptions. And then everything else, including retail purchases, travel, and bills, earns 1 point per dollar. But here's what that actually means. I value Avion points at 2 cents per point, which means your 3x categories effectively earn you a 6% return. And on everything else, you're looking at a 2% return. And this is pretty strong, and there's no cap on how much you can earn in those bonus categories, which makes it a good card for everyday spending, as long as your spending fits into the right categories. But as we look at travel perks, this is where the ION Plus Visa really starts to show its limitations, because the card's travel benefits are basically non-existent. It does include a basic package of insurance, like mobile device insurance, purchase security, and extended warranty coverage, which is nice to have for things like a stolen or damaged phone. But beyond that, don't expect any flight delay coverage, trip cancellation protection, rental car insurance, or travel medical coverage. And when you compare that to a typical travel card, which might cover baggage loss, flight interruptions, and travel medical insurance, then the ION Plus Visa has none of those. So for practical travel use, you're basically getting the same low-tier protection that you'd find on a no-fee student card. The travel perks are essentially just the device warranty stuff, which is more of a nice-to-have rather than a game-changing travel perk. But there are a couple of standout benefits worth mentioning, and one of them is the integration with Metro's MUA rewards program. When you link your ION Plus Visa to your MUA account, you'll earn bonus MUA points on top of your regular Avion points every time you shop at participating stores, like Metro, Food Basics, Super C, Jean Coutu, Brunet, and Premier Moisin, pardon my French. So here's how it works. At Metro, Food Basics, or Super C, if you spend at least $60, you'll earn 1 extra MUA point for every $2 you spend. At Jean Coutu or Brunet, that threshold is $40, and at Premier Moisin, it's $20. So you're getting rewarded for everyday grocery, pharmacy, and bakery purchases without needing to do anything extra, just link the card and shop like usual. And this kind of loyalty program tie-in is rare. Most credit cards don't let you double dip like this. It's usually either the card points or the store's rewards, but not both. But here, you're stacking 3 Avion points per dollar with bonus MUA points at the cash register. And if you already shop at any of these stores, this is a simple way to maximize your return on your everyday spending. Another perk is access to the Avion Rewards Deals portal, where you'll find deals from over 2,000 brands and extra points or savings at partners like Petro-Canada, Rexall, and DoorDash. Now, in reality, these deals are mostly nice extras rather than huge game changers, so you might earn bonus points on gas or get a discount on food delivery. So while it's worth noting that you have access to those partner deals through the Avion app, it's not exactly a top tier feature. And here's one more small thing. If you're a student with an RBC Advantage student account, then your $4 monthly fee on this card gets automatically rebated every month. But if you don't have that specific student banking account, then there's no rebate. So here's a quick recap of the top 3 features. First, the MUA rewards integration. Just link your card to your Metro account and you'll earn extra points on top of your regular Avion rewards, which is a solid perk if you shop at Metro or Food Basics. Second, there's no income requirement. You don't need to earn $60,000 or even $30,000 to get approved for this card, so anyone with decent credit can apply. And third, students with an RBC Advantage student account can get that $48 annual fee waived. So now let's break down who this card is actually good for. In my view, it's a solid fit for anyone whose day-to-day spending is focused on groceries, gas, dining, and streaming. That 3x Avion earn rate adds up quickly in those categories, and if you shop at Metro, the integration with MUA rewards gives your grocery spending even more value. And because there's no income requirement, the card is accessible accessible to students, part-time workers, or anyone looking for their first credit card. If you're an RBC student banking client, you don't even need to pay the $4 monthly fee, so you're earning rewards at no cost. But here's the deal. The RBC ION Plus Visa isn't terrible, but it's not your ticket to serious rewards either. It works if you're a student or someone spending mostly on groceries and streaming, but beyond that, it starts to fall flat. The perks are pretty basic, and the welcome bonus is just forgettable. But there's something else that matters way more than just picking a card with decent earn rates. Because if you want to travel more, pay less, and stack points the smart way, it all comes down to using the right combination of cards. Because there's a system that most Canadians are missing, but once you get it right, even a regular grocery run can unlock free flights, hotel upgrades, and premium travel perks. So if you want to learn the best credit card strategy for free and discounted travel, a strategy that can yield you 5 to 10 times more value from every dollar you spend, watch this video next.